Everybody. My name is Jason Daig. I'm a Senior Portfolio Manager here at CreditSpreadSlayer.com, and thank you for joining in on our very first Setup Sunday. Every Sunday we're going to be reviewing just a couple of stocks here and there to see how we go about analyzing a stock from the basics to the more advanced to see if it's an eligible candidate for selling premium on. First of all, the whole market needs to be in an agreeable condition. So right now we're in an alright position. The market isn't in a precipitous downfall. We wouldn't want to do the strategy in a bear market, but right now we're doing okay. And we're still on track for selling 5% out of the money puts on our favorite stocks. So, as you can see here, we have CBS. This will be our only stock for the evening, and it's a very solid chart. As you can see on top, we have a 1-year weekly chart with the bars, and on the bottom we have the same thing. It's a 1-year, but it's a daily chart. So this gives us the time frame to be able to see the stock in two different time frames, both a weekly and a daily, to really help us pinpoint our entries and exits and ensure that we are selling on a safe security. As you can see, if we look at the weekly, this is going to be the 10-week EMAs and SMAs, so it's exponential moving average and simple moving average. We can see that it's been staying above it the entire time for the last year, and we never get closes below. We had one close right here below, and it showed weakness for the next week before rallying back up and regaining the 10-week line. So that was very bullish condition. As you can see, we continually hit higher highs. So this is a stock that we're very confident in. If we look towards the daily, you can see the very similar structure. It slowly and gently comes in, tests the moving averages, and moves higher and posts new highs. If we take a look here, and we just draw a nice simple trend line all the way back, we can see the trend has been intact all year. And if we extend this further, we see that it's going to continue in this way. If we draw the top channel, we can see again it's been a nice, slow, and steady rise. So what would we be looking at? With this stock, we are very confident in it, and we would be looking to sell a put in the 55 area. Now, the 55 strike would be our optimal position. It'll be about 5.5–6% out of the money from the close on Friday, and that's optimal for what we look for. We won't go into details about the put that we're going to be selling this week, but as we go forward and set up Sundays, we'll get more and more advanced with the commentary. I always like to double check. I'm using Interactive Brokers here as charting software. I always just like to check one more time, one more chart to make sure what I'm looking at is really what I'm interested in. This could be a Bloomberg, this could be really anything. Right now we're going to take a look with stock charts. And as you can see, we're seeing the same daily chart here. And again, we're seeing it slowly glide into the support areas before rallying back up. As you can see, we're extended right now, and we're expecting it to fall back into the 57 area as a nice gentle test. So we'd be looking to sell the 55 puts right here. Thank you, everybody, for our first installment of Setup Sunday. And we hope to have you guys check it out every week. And be sure to log on to CreditSpreadSlayer.com in order to find all of our latest trade alerts. Thank you. Have a great night.